is a place where I love to be. Look in a book, here's a story for you. Who makes stories when the day is through? Makers, story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun. Come and be a story maker.
Jackson, I nearly forgot. What? There was something else I found. Look.
Oh. Oh, bells! Lovely.
One of the children left them behind. What do you think they are?
Oh, I don't know. We could ask Milton.
Oh, we could put them in the story machine and see what story comes out.
Oh, do you think we should?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go. And the story's called Indian Dance Class.
It's Saturday morning. That's when Priya goes to her Indian dance class. Priya loves her dancing so much that she gets up very early. Mummy helps her to put on her shalwar kameez, which is an Indian dress. She also helps her tie the colourful dupatta, which is a long scarf. Finally, Priya puts on her sticky bindi very carefully. She has to put the bindi in the middle of her forehead, which is quite tricky. All her friends have bindis too. Priya's teacher is called Paliji. She asks the girls to put on their noisy dancing bells, called gungaroos. But Priya has left hers at home. She is upset because she's the only girl without gungaroos. Paliji tells Priya not to worry and to dance without them.
Maybe you can dance without them.
Today, the class is going to learn some animal movements. These hand movements are called hastak, Paliji explains. They start with the bird. Then the deer, the snake, and the peacock. Priya tries hard to copy her teacher's movements. All of a sudden, someone appears at the door. It's Mummy. And guess what she's got? Priya's gungaroos. Mummy has saved the day. Now, Priya can dance just like everyone else. After all, Priya does want to be the best dancer in the world.